So I've been stalking the Coach Outlet website for the last probably month for a specific item that I've been waiting to go on sale. It's on sale now, so I went to Coach to pick it up and ended up getting something totally different, plus one other item that was only $10. So if you want to see what's in this bag, just keep watching. Hey, I'm Dre and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you for coming back and welcome. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling your best for less. So if that's you, go ahead and subscribe. But let's get into this Coach Outlet haul. So I have we'll say three items from Coach that I picked up today. So the first item that I got, well, let's just go with the third item. We're going to start with the last item first because, well, you'll see. The third item I purchased was actually this gorgeous Coach dust bag. So look at the quality of this dust bag. So when I got up to the register to purchase or pay for the items that I picked out, I saw that they actually had on the register, they had a sign that said $10. So they actually have two different sizes. This is the larger size, and then they actually had a smaller size. And I just knew I had to grab it because, first of all, you guys know that outlet pieces don't come with dust bags, but the quality of this dust bag is amazing. It's better than the retail dust bags that Coach puts in their bags. To me, it's better than the 1941 dust bags. Like this is better than the Louis Vuitton dust bag. Like this is giving Hermes. Like I wish you guys could feel how thick this material is. Very good quality. And then you've got the drawstring, which she tied it neatly in a bow for me. But guys, this dust bag is huge, and I'm gonna take the item out so that we can just get a closer look at this dust bag first. But look at how big this dust bag is. You could probably fit 3 or 4 Coach bags in here depending on the size of the bag. But it is excellent quality, and so I was just really pleasantly surprised when I saw that Coach was offering dust bags for sale at the outlet. So now you have the option of actually purchasing a dust bag with your bag if you want a good quality dust bag. I've purchased Coach dust bags in the past off eBay for really cheap. So that's also an option if you just have to have a dust bag for your retail bags, or if you buy something pre-loved that doesn't come with a dust bag. That's just an FYI now. They are offering them at the Coach outlets. And I asked the sales associate if they were offering them online, and she said no. But I haven't actually done my own due diligence and gone online to check just to see, because sometimes they don't be knowing what they talking about. But anyway, that's the third item that I picked up from Coach. And it's actually the fourth. But there's one piece that I'm going to save for later because it actually goes with some other items that I expect to come in this week. So we're only going to look at 3 items. So this is the third item that I purchased. And again, this was only $10 from the outlet. The other size dust bag was probably like a bag that you would use for SLGs. And it was much larger than an SLG dust bag, but it was, you know, a lot smaller than that one. So it may have been about this wide and this tall. So you could probably fit like a nice mini bag in the smaller dust bag that they offer at the outlet. So now let's get on to the items that I actually picked up. So let's first just by saying I initially went in there to get the Eliza shoulder bag. I've been looking at that bag since it came out, and I really like the silhouette. It reminds me of a few bags. It reminds me of the Gucci Jackie. It reminds me of, there's a Brandon Blackwood, I think, makes a bag like that. There are a few different designers that make bags shaped like the Eliza, and I just think it's really nice. And when I saw it in person the first time and felt the leather, it felt like really, really good quality. And the hardware, also super good quality. The thing that stood out to me the most was that it had silver hardware. And as you guys know, I'm a gold girl, and the majority of the pieces that I have gold hardware on them. So it was really nice being able to get something in silver hardware to kind of diversify my collection a little bit. And I was really feeling the taupe color in the Eliza shoulder bag because it just was so neutral and so classic. And really with that silver hardware, the taupe looks so expensive. It does. It looks, to me, it looks at least 3 or 4 times more than what Coach is asking for. So anyway, I got in there and I looked at it, and I just came this close to grabbing it when something else caught my eye, and I knew it was over. And this item, I don't remember if it was on sale or not, but it was $30 more than the Eliza shoulder bag that I actually went in there to get. But I did get a wallet. So I did get the Eliza wallet in the taupe color. So you guys can see it has, like I said, it has a silver hardware. And you just have the big Coach logo with the horse and carriage. This is like it's just a regular snap, a push snap closure. So the front of the wallet is just one huge pocket. So you could put cards, coins, cash, whatever in here. The back has another snap, and it opens up into the full-size wallet. So you have the money slot up top, and then you have 6 card slots inside. And then there's actually space between the card slot holders where you could put additional things if you wanted to. So this is the Eliza wallet, and again, it's in the color taupe. So what I ended up getting instead of the shoulder bag was actually the Eliza top handle. So guys, when I saw this, I just knew I had to get it. You can't tell me this doesn't look elevated, especially for an outlet piece. Like, this looks and feels like retail in every way. The hardware is really nice and pretty substantial. The leather feels really good. It feels really similar actually to the leather on the Bandit, if I'm being honest. I mean, there's no possible way that it can be the same leather, because how would Coach be able to offer it at this price? But it feels like the Bandit leather, like really good, super good quality. So again, just like the wallet, you have the silver hardware on the closure. Now I believe this isn't a snap. This one is a magnetic closure, and it falls into place quite easily. You don't really have to do a lot of searching to get it to line up. It will catch itself. So the one thing I noticed on this bag already is that the way that it's made up here, every time I open this, there's wrinkling here on the flap. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. And this handle may be in the way, but there's wrinkling on the flap. Like the leather starts to wrinkle a little bit every time I open this. So I'm just wondering how that will wear over time with the constant opening and closing. But if we get on the inside of this bag, the very front, there's a front compartment, very generous in size. And this has like a tannish, taupish microfiber material. I don't know why Coach loves these middle zip pockets, but just like the Tabby, this has that middle zip compartment. It does go all the way down to the bottom of the bag, so you don't have to worry about stuff sliding around up under the compartments. And then you've got the back compartment on the back with a slip pocket. let me just take the strap out. It does come with a removable, adjustable crossbody strap, which I probably will never wear. But the back compartment, as you can see, is open as well. And then you just have a slip pocket here behind that. It does have 4 feet on the bottom. And a nice, generous size back pocket. So I thought this was really, I thought it was super cute. I mean, and I've seen it online. I've looked at it before. And I knew that I liked it. But I was so fixated on the shoulder bag that I just never really gave this bag much thought other than saying, oh, that's really cute. But when I got to the outlet and saw it in person, right next to the shoulder bag, it was instant. I already knew that I was going to leave with this instead of what I came in to get. So I'm glad that I did. And I'm also glad that I got the matching wallet to go with it. This bag is the perfect size. Very similar in size to the Hermes Kelly dupe that I picked up off Amazon. And so I think this wallet is the perfect size for it. Large enough to use like a full-size wallet, but not so big that it takes up too much space in the bag. So I look forward to wearing this. I think this will look cute with jeans. It'll look cute dressed up if you want to. This is just a really versatile piece in a color that's also quite versatile. So I'm glad that I was able to add it to my collection. So that is all I have today, except there is one other thing I wanted to share with you guys. I know you remember when I did the rehab of this vintage Coach court bag. So the strap that comes with this bag is super long. Even on the shortest setting, it's too long for me to wear as a crossbody, which means the strap is pretty much useless for me. However, because it is the original strap that came with the bag and the bag is vintage, I'm going to keep the strap, and I will probably at some point take it somewhere and have them cut it down so that it's a length that I can actually wear as a crossbody. But in the meantime, I picked up a strap off of Etsy that's going to serve the purpose. And I can't use it as a crossbody with this strap, but I can wear it as a shoulder bag, and it looks really nice. So I grabbed this leather strap off of an Etsy store, and I think I paid like maybe $25, $26 for it. Now, it is real leather, but it does not match. It's not the same type of leather, of course, as the Coach Court. This is a cross grain or a Saffiano leather. And that actually was not clear or apparent on the listing on Etsy when I purchased it. I really thought this was smooth leather. I may not have purchased it if I had realized that this was cross grain. But you can't really tell that they don't match from a distance, and it serves its purpose. I like the width of the strap because it's very comfortable on the shoulder, and it does have silver hardware to match the silver hardware on the bag, and it's actually adjustable, so you can make this a little shorter if you wanted to. So I just want to show you guys what I got to wear with this Coach Court bag until I'm able to get the strap altered so that it fits my body. I don't know who they made that strap for. Like, you have to be really big or really tall for that crossbody strap not to be too long. So that's that. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please just do me that solid and hit the like button. And don't forget to tap the notification bell for updates. And until the next time we see each other, take care of yourselves. Bye.